want to learn how to make traditional dishes.
I want to learn how to make traditional dishes.
Can you recommend any good cookbooks?
Can you recommend any good cookbooks?
Let's cook together this weekend.
Let's cook together this weekend.
This dish is delicious.
This dish is delicious.
Would you like to join me for a cooking class?
Would you like to join me for a cooking class?
I need to buy some fresh ingredients for this recipe.
I need to buy some fresh ingredients for this recipe.
I'm going to bake a cake for the party.
I'm going to bake a cake for the party.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Let's taste this sauce and see if it needs more seasoning.
Let's taste this sauce and see if it needs more seasoning.
This recipe calls for fresh herbs.
This recipe calls for fresh herbs.
Would you like a taste of my homemade soup?
Would you like a taste of my homemade soup?
I enjoy experimenting with different flavors.
I enjoy experimenting with different flavors.
I prefer to use organic products in my cooking.
I prefer to use organic products in my cooking.
What is for dinner?
What is for dinner?
Do you need help in the kitchen?
Do you need help in the kitchen?
I'm thinking of making spaghetti for dinner.
I'm thinking of making spaghetti for dinner.
I like my steak well done. How about you?
I like my steak well done. How about you?
Don't forget to preheat the oven before baking the cake.
Don't forget to preheat the oven before baking the cake.
I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 F.
I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 F.
Let's chop the vegetables finely for the salad.
Let's chop the vegetables finely for the salad.
I'm trying out a new recipe for pasta with pesto sauce.
I'm trying out a new recipe for pasta with pesto sauce.